Assalamualaikum. We are from Golden Homes Construction, which is our members' name are Muhammad Syamil bin Baci, Nur Syazwani binti Muhammad Kasim, Syahirah binti Mak Sahizul Radwan, as well as Wan Muhammad Daniel bin Wan Najmi. We would like to present our proposal for the proposed development of residential housing at Bandar University Bandar Sri Iskandar, Perak.
So for the proposed design, we propose two types of design, which are double story house and single story house. So as you can see, this is the site location plan. Our project is at area D and area E. So we propose to build a double story house at the area D with 20 units of double story house, and at the area E 10 units of single story house. So we move to the first design, which is double story house. So this is the ground floor plan. As you can see, we have dining hall, wet kitchen, dry kitchen, guest room and family hall. The area of this ground floor is 2,248 square feet. So this is the design for the second one that we propose to the residential area, which is single story house. So for the total area of this building is 2,271 square feet. As you can see, we provide 4 numbers of bedroom and 3 numbers of bathroom. So other than that, we provide dining hall, living room, balcony and kitchen. So now we proceed to the next drawing, which is first floor plan. So the total area of this plan is 1,689 square feet. So as you can see, we have 4 number of bedroom, which is master bedroom, bedroom 2, bedroom 3 and bedroom 4. Other than that, we also have 4 number of toilet, 3 numbers of wardrobe and 1 number of family area. For the roof plan, we use a normal type of roof because it's very suitable and easy to install. For the roof construction, the material of this roof is wall deck composite insulated metal roofing at 15 degrees pitch. Now we proceed to the front and back elevation. As you can see, we have a various type of door. So for the front elevation, we use folding door. The material is metal, so our priority is the safety. So for the main entrance of this door of this building is solid door. We use that rather than flush or panel door because it's more aesthetic. And for the windows, we use glass casement window for both elevation, at the front and at the back elevation. So this is the left elevation. Basically, we use the same material of windows and roof, but as you can see, the door there is very different because we use sliding door as the side entrance for this house. Now we proceed to the right elevation. As you can see, at the right of the building, we can see we use flat roof at the first floor level. This is because we have a lanai there. The function of the lanai is the place that we can relax ourselves and take a fresh air outside the building. So we move to the section XX. As you can see, when we cut the section XX, you can see family area and dining and stairs and of course roof. So the detail of the staircase is we use the material of stair is concrete and the riser is 165 mm. The thread of the stair is 225 mm and the nosing of the stair is 25 mm. And lastly, the number of riser of the stair is 20 numbers of riser. So we move to the last drawing for this design, which is section YY. We use IBS method for the roof construction. As you can see, the material of this roof, the purlin and the rafter is made by metal. So we use IBS because it's very easy to install and it's more faster than the normal one. The meaning of the normal one is the cast in situ method, that we need to build the roof at the construction site, so it's maybe take times and the quality is not so very good because for the IBS it made from factory, so the quality is guaranteed. So after we cut the section, we can see the bath, the wardrobe, the living hall, the dining area, the bedroom and the guest room.
Next, we are moving on to the planning proposal of the project. For this project, proposed development of residential housing at Bandar University Bandar Sri Iskandar Perak. This project will be divided into two phases, which is the first phase, phase 1, and the second phase, which is phase 2. Project duration will be 486 days, and the project will be started on 4 January 2021 and expected to be finished on 23rd of August 2022, which is the construction cost would be 10,486,305 ringgit and 36 cents. Next, for the structural works phase 1, the work duration would be 199 days and it will be started on the 8th of February 2021 and expected to be finished on the 8th of October 2021 with the cost of Rm 2,895 ringgit 547,018 cents. After the structural works, there would be architectural works, which is the project duration would be 108 days and expected to be started on the 21st of August 2021 and expected to be finished as well on the 30th of December 2021 with the cost of the work is 2,889,371 ringgit and 55 cents. When the structural works at the phase 1 is almost 75% of completion, the structural works at the phase 2 will be started, which the duration would be 230 days and will be started on the 25th of October 2021 and finish date would be 15th of April 2022 with the cost of the work would be 2,131,307 ringgit and 34 cents. After the structural works, there will be architectural works for the phase 2, which is the work will take about 109 days. Project start will be 23rd of March 2022 and finish date will be 4th of August 2022 with the cost for the architectural works would be Rm 1,289,482 ringgit. Next, for the mechanical and electrical works or M&E works for the phase 1 and phase 2, which is the work duration will be 104 days and the work will be started on the 15th of April 2022 and expected to be finished on the 22nd of August 2022, which is the construction cost for the mechanical and electrical works would be ringgit. Following by the external works for Phase 1 and Phase 2, which is the work duration 83 days, will be started on the 4th of April 2022 and expected to be finished for the work on the 15th of July 2022 with the cost Rm 554,640 ringgit and 75 cents. Next, closing works for Phase 1 and Phase 2, which is the work duration will be 21 days and expected to be started on the 6th of July 2022 and finish date would be 1st of August 2022 with the cost Rm 31,340 ringgit. For the last task or activity, they will be handing over on the 23rd of August 2022.
Okay, let's go to the cash flow report. The cash flow report is automatically generated by Microsoft Project, and the cost for every month is totally for January 21 is 196,179 ringgit 56 cents, and for February 21 is 198,304 ringgit and 1 cents, and following and continue for every month until August 2022, which is 55,462 ringgit. For cumulative cost in January is same as the monthly cost, and in February the monthly cost for January will be added with monthly cost in February, and we got this as cumulative cost in February, and following until we got the total cost of the project. For monthly percentage, in January 2021 is 1.87, in February is 1.89%, and following until August 2022, which is 0.53%. This percent is auto-calculated by Microsoft Project. For the cumulative percentage, in January is 1.87%, and in February is 3.76%, and following increasing until August is 100%. And from the cash flow we get the financial S curve, and this table, the schedule table, is based on the cumulative cost for every month, and the actual is based on site, which is from tracking gun, and these are the costs for January, February, and March.
Hi guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will continue my final part, which is our physical S-curve. As you can see on the previous slide, which is financial S-curve, we also managed to get the S-shape, which is slightly perfect. And on the table below, you can see for the planning one, on the first month we get 2%, which is for the prelim activities at first, and then followed by the next month, which is 5%, and also for the third month is 8%. And up here on the graph, for the 27%, we managed to firstly get the drastically increasing plotting on its activities, which is 36%, and also followed by the next months, we get the 66% on April 2022, which is it became more slightly increasing, which is 80%, and then 92%, and finally 99% up to 100%, which is the final month of the entire project. So this one is for the January progress on the first month of our actual tracking progress. So up here we can see that the actual project is slightly ahead from the previous on its planning one. So for our prelim, the differences is we actually did some achievement which is 100% on overall first element, and the next one is our structural works which we haven't touched it yet and follow up to the other activities. And up here is the February progress, which is actually there are no differences at all, which is the actual one is 5% as the same as the plan one. So for the structural works, we slightly did some overtime, and that's why there are 10%, 64%, and 100% for some activities on pet foundation. And for the final month, which is March 2021, we did some ahead progress, which is 11% compared to 8%. And up here, like usual, for the prelim activities, already done, and continue for the next activities, which is structural works. So under these activities, there are pad foundation, column stump, and also ground beam. Like there are a lot of differences, which is the activities are mainly done and almost complete. Actual, except for the ground beam, which is only 72% and also 20%. So that's all from us. Thank you very much.